Hi, I'm Rod Kurthy, and we are at the Boston meeting, the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, the premier cosmetic dentistry meeting in the world, really. And I have Peter here, who came up to tell us that he's a user of our KoR Whitening system, and he was telling me about some pretty neat cases that he's done. Peter, if there are dentists and dental staff members watching here that have heard about KoR but have never used it, just let them know how it's worked in your office. What have you seen? And these are noise-canceling microphones, so just be sure and keep that up pretty close to your mouth.
Well, we've been doing KoR for a long time. Back in probably when you just started deep bleaching.
Okay.
Back in the old days.
Even before it was called KoR.
Exactly.
Okay, sure.
But the KoR has really changed our practice a lot in terms of patients coming in and getting the work done. I'll just tell you an experience that we finished one case, and this patient teared up in happiness.
Isn't that great?
She said, I've never seen my teeth so white before.
Yeah.
And another guy, we came back just last week, and we basically saw him on recall, and his shade from last year hasn't changed at all.
And that's the tetracycline case you were telling me about?
That was really like a D10.
Yeah, yeah.
And
oh, yeah, that's when he said
that's the awesome
a D10. You know, there is no such thing, but I mean, imagine a D10. That's pretty wild.
Yeah, so I think it gives us joy to give patients bright smiles, and patients are going home with confidence in their smiles too.
That's great. And how's your staff? I know a lot of staffs get embarrassed if their system doesn't work. How does your staff like the system?
Oh, they love it.
Good.
They love it. I have one particular girl that she's my bleaching expert.
Okay.
And she does everything, and she really gets into the patient, and patients get excited. The front office, everybody gets excited.
So she follows all the little details that I talk about.
She's up to the T.
Absolutely. That's fabulous.
The book is invaluable. That's perfect.
Exactly. You know, the system for all of you, anyone out there who decides to get into the KoR Whitening system, remember, you're going to have to unlearn everything you know about whitening. It's all in the details. So you really do. When you get the manual, the training manual, you have to follow it. You have to read it. You have to become an expert on this. You wouldn't go in and do periodontal surgery if you didn't know what you were doing. And, whitening, there's a lot of science to it, and there's a lot of technique to it. It's not difficult, but it's precise. So thank you for pointing that out. That's very important.
Katrina reads up every time before she goes in there. So
great.
I mean, she did it a long time, but every time she goes in, let me read up on it. So she's perfecting the system. So I don't know what she does, but she does it better than I do.
Well, hey,
so
it works.
Staff members could do it too.
Well, Peter, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the meeting.
Good product.
Oh, thank you.
Recommend to anybody.
Thank you. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye now.
All right.